right, hello everybody, and welcome to another edition of Within the Pixels. My name is Bert Blevins, and today we're going to be looking at Privilege Manager. It's a product of Delinia's, and we're going to be looking specifically at a hot topic as user management, local user management on machines. How do we manage that in the past, rotate those passwords accordingly, and manage those across all the different endpoints in the environment. So let's take a look real quick. So we're going to come in here, we're going to go to user management. We're going to notice that we have a one here indicated as managed. What that indicates is that that's going to be managed, that account is going to be managed by a privilege manager. And what it's going to do is it's going to push out that account to all the endpoints and have, if we click on for more detail, we can see here that this is, again, a managed account. But if we come down here to view passwords, what we can see is that it's pushing out these passwords to these different endpoints here. So what you do is you had a couple endpoints, or you had 300 endpoints, it would list them all out here. If you wanted to find the particular endpoint, the workstation that you needed to access, you just search for it by name here on the workstation name, and then you get to view the password details right here. So it looks like this. So we have a complex password that's being set. But again, this is going to be different across the different endpoints. So you have a unique password per endpoint. That is a nice way to do it and manage those passwords, so one password does not compromise the entire group of desktops. So that's going to wrap it, and that's what I have, and thank you for watching.